Hi everyone, Mr. Hummel here. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and making the most of this time at home. So we are on to the fourth quarter. We will begin the fourth quarter virtually, and for 10th grade English, the fourth quarter begins with poetry and poetic analysis. So we're going to be analyzing some poems. We'll be writing poems. We'll be doing a lot with poetry to begin the fourth quarter. Um, And in years past, I've had students come up to me and say, "Well, Mr. Hummel, poetry doesn't make sense to me. I'm a very literal person. I read literally, and this flowery language and all these metaphors and stuff. It just kind of goes over my head." And if you find yourself thinking that way, if that's you, I want you to try and get rid of those thoughts. Okay? I want you to approach this with an open mind, positive mindset, because we're going to outline some specific strategies for analyzing poetry that will really, I think, make sense to you. Okay? So we're going to go over exactly how to read these poems. We're going to read each poem several times and for specific reasons. Okay? So if you find yourself having doubts about your poetic prowess, I want you to believe in yourself. Okay? Here's some encouragement for you.